Welcome, I'm Mrs. C, and this is Math Defined. Today we're going to show you how to simplify expressions using the distributive property. Let's get into it. To simplify expressions like this, we need to remember the two-step rule. First, we distribute the factor outside of the parentheses to each term inside the parentheses, and then combine the like terms to simplify. So first, we'll distribute this negative 3 to the first term, positive 5g. And negative 3 times positive 5g is negative 15g. Then we'll distribute the negative 3 to positive 1. And negative 3 times positive 1 is negative 3. And since the plus 8g is not inside the parentheses, we just bring it down. Next, we need to identify and combine the like terms. Negative 15g and positive 8g are like terms, and negative 15g plus 8g is negative 7g. Now we see there is just one term left, negative 3, so we'll just bring it down. And there you have it, we're done. Let's follow the two-step rule again to simplify this expression. This expression is different than the one before because there are two sets of parentheses with different factors to distribute. So we'll start on the left with the variable c. Distributing the c to the first term, positive c times positive 4 is positive 4c. And then positive c times positive 3c is positive 3c squared, or 3c to the second power. Now we're ready to distribute the second factor, negative 0.75. Negative 0.75 times c is negative 0.75c. And negative 0.75 times 3 is negative 2.25. Next, we identify the like terms. Positive 4c and negative 0.75c are like terms, and combining them results in positive 3.25c. Now we can see that the two terms left are not like terms, so we'll just bring them down, and we're done. Understanding and using the distributive property is the key to simplifying and solving algebraic expressions like these. Just remember the two-step rule to first distribute the factor by multiplying the term outside the parentheses by each term inside, and then combine like terms if needed. Thanks for watching. I hope these examples helped you out, and until next time, keep math awesome.